Okay, here goes a new print. It's been printing for about, let's see here. Been printing for 34 minutes. The print time is 47 minutes and it's 56% finished. So let's look at it and see what's going on here. Crazy. This thing is flawless. It has not failed one time. Not even once. Look at that shit. It's crazy. This is the Creality Ender V2 version 2. Apparently the version 2 has the quiet motherboard. And all you can hear is the fans blowing on the head here. I think there's 3 fans that cools the media as it lays it down. So, but yeah, this is what I got. I'm gonna probably buy another one. But yeah, this is amazing. If you're thinking about buying one, don't think again, just buy it. It just works out of the box. Takes you about an hour and a half to build it, but YouTube video, when you slap it together, you put something on an SD card, which is right there, and then you click on here, print, and it just prints. I printed that. These are Scotty mounts. I printed both of these yesterday. And they are perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. And I'm going to print 2 more of these and put them on my boat for mounting my GPS and fishing poles, and they're not free, but it may have cost me, I don't know, $1 with the filament. It's up here. This one's getting low, but I printed a lot of stuff with it, so here we go. Creality Ender V version 2. Can't go wrong.